ClickFunnels keeps coming up as the go-to platform for building and selling online. But at $97 a month starting price, is it actually worth it for your business? In this review, I'll show you exactly what ClickFunnels does, who it's built for, and whether the price is justified in 2026. ClickFunnels is a sales funnel and marketing platform built to help entrepreneurs sell products and services online. The core idea is simple. Instead of building a website and hoping visitors find what they need, you guide them through a structured funnel designed to convert. The platform combines funnel building, landing pages, email marketing, courses, communities, an online store, and checkout all in one place. It's built around the funnel mindset: attract visitors, make an offer, upsell, and retain. Everything on the platform is designed to support that sequence. Let's talk pricing. ClickFunnels 2.0 has 4 plans. The launch plan is $97 a month. That gives you unlimited funnels, 1 workspace, 2 team members, 10,000 contacts, and 50,000 emails per month. The scale plan is $197 a month and adds 5 workspaces, 75,000 contacts, full API access, and priority support. The optimized plan is $297 a month for larger operations. And there's an annual-only Dominate plan at $5,197 a year for high-volume businesses. All plans include a 14-day free trial. There's no free plan. A credit card is required to start. What makes ClickFunnels worth considering is the depth of its funnel tools. The drag-and-drop builder is genuinely fast, the templates are conversion-tested, and the checkout and upsell functionality is built in. You don't need to connect third-party tools for the core sales flow. It also includes course hosting, community features, an email marketing tool, and a CRM. For someone building an online business around digital products, coaching, or courses, this covers most of what you need without patching together separate subscriptions. ClickFunnels makes the most sense if your primary goal is selling online, whether that's a digital product, a course, a coaching offer, or a physical product with a structured sales sequence. It's particularly well-suited for course creators and coaches who want to sell through a funnel rather than a standard website, and for info product sellers who need upsells, order bumps, and checkout sequences built in. Where it's less useful, if you need a full CRM for managing client relationships, advanced automation beyond email, or white label capabilities, HighLevel covers those use cases better. ClickFunnels is funnel first, and that's both its strength and its limitation. Quick pros and cons. On the plus side, the funnel builder is fast and conversion-focused, the templates are proven, checkout and upsell flows are built in, and the platform covers most of what a digital product business needs in one place. On the downside, it starts at $97 a month with no free plan. The learning curve is real for beginners, and it's not the right tool if your primary need is CRM or advanced marketing automation. Overall, it's a strong platform for funnel-focused businesses. If that's your model, the price is justified. ClickFunnels offers a 14-day free trial. Link is in the description. I've also put together a full review on the WealthForge tools site with pricing details and comparisons to HighLevel and Systeme.io. That link is below too. And if you're evaluating other tools, I've reviewed HighLevel, Systeme.io, Make.com, and Kit. All links are in the description. If you found this useful, the full review is at WealthForge Tools. Link in the description. See you in the next one.